Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, well, welcome back to your EVS class. Today, date is 19 November 2020, and I am teaching you chapter number 18. And name of the chapter is Our Festivals. So, student, open page number 96 of your book. Let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So, student, in the previous video, we are talking about I explained you that India is a land of festival. Not a single month goes without the festival. So, student, when we are talking about the festivals, then festivals are divided into three groups. That is national festival of our country, harvest festival, and religious festival. So, when we are talking about national festival, student, so what are our national festival? That is Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These are our national festival. And why we say this as a national festival? The reason is that in our country India, people of different religions are living together. So, if you are the citizen of the country, that is India, so this festival is common for all the peoples, all the people living in the country, that is India. So that is the reason national festivals is celebrated by all the people of the India. And after that, we discuss about the harvest festival. First we discuss about national then harvest then we discuss about the harvest festival. So the main occupation of the people of India is farming. So maximum people in our country, their main occupation means उनका काम धंधा क्या है, that is farming. So why we say this as a harvest festival? Because at this time the crops are ready in the field to cut. So lot of enjoyment in the farmers for their hard work, and they also worship God for that. So these harvest festival are celebrated in different states of our country by different names. For example, in Punjab, the harvest festival is known as Baisakhi. In Assam, The harvest festival is known as Vihu. And when we are talking about the Tamil Nadu, then the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu is Pongal. And when we are talking about the Kerala, then the harvest festival of the Kerala is Onam. So these are the few harvest festivals which are given in the book, and I have already explained you. There are many other harvest festival are also in different states of the country, but in your book discussion of only 4 harvest festival is given, that is Baisakhi in Punjab, Bihu in Assam, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, and Onam in Kerala. Now after that, student, I start explaining you about the religious festivals. Religious means the people belonging to different religions. So Hindus have their own festivals, Muslims have their own festivals, Sikh religion people, they have their own festivals, and Christians also celebrate their festival. So student, we are talking, that is the reason these festivals are known as religious festival. Okay, because, and especially these festivals are people celebrate these festivals, and these festivals are connected with religious events like birth of a god, other with seasons. ठीक है? So I explain you the festival of Holi, and there is a very good story also, that why we celebrate the Holi. This story I already explained you in the previous video also. Okay, so Holi is the festival of colors. People play with the colors and water also, and that color is known as gulal. So at the time of a Holi, before the Holi, at the evening time, there is a bonfire done by the people, and in the morning they celebrate the festival with gulal, and on that day, and festivals always give happiness. Festival always give happiness, and at this day people wear new clothes, they meet their friends, relatives. Is it clear? And special sweets are also prepared at these days, like gujia. So this sweet is made in every homes on that day, the day of a Holi, and lot of celebration is done by the people. So in religious festival I discuss about Holi, and second is the Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr. This is the most important festival of the Muslims. Do you know, student? For this festival, when the Muslims, they have fast for 30 days, and with the celebration of a Eid, this fast is end. So in the morning time they eat something, and at the time of a evening again they eat. But at the time of the fast, even Muslim people do not drink water. And the month on which this fast month is known as Ramjan. This fast month is known as Ramjan. So, due to the end of this month, Eid ul Fitr is celebrated. So, Muslims go to the mosques for the special prayer at the time of the fast. 5 times they read the Nawaj, and Muslim women, they read the Nawaj in their house. So, lot of celebration is done by the Muslims on Eid day. They distributes lot of clothes and even money to the poor people to show the happiness of the festival. They meet with their friends, relatives, and in this manner they enjoy the festival of Eid. And special dish which is made on this occasion of a Eid ul Fitr is Samai. This is the special dish made at this day. So these two religious festival I have already discussed. Now Dishera and Durga Puja. Next is the next is Dishera. Next is Dishera and Durga Puja. So why we celebrate the festival of Dishera? Because there is a story about the celebration of this festival also. Again the same line which I have already explained you at the time of a Holi. The victory of a good over the evil. सच्चाई की बुराई पे जीत. And that is the reason we celebrate the festival of Dishera. So what is the small story behind this? That on this day God Shri Ram killed Ravana. ठीक है, रावण क्या था? एक राक्षस था. ठीक है. So on this day God Ram killed Ravan, and to celebrate this happiness every year we celebrate the festival of Dishera. So in different part of the countries, जो रावण के हैं पुतले बनाए जाते हैं डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री में, और उसे उस दिन हम लोग क्या करते हैं? बर्न करते हैं. ठीक है. रामलीला भी चलती है. ठीक है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड इन द पास्ट टाइम, हाउ द गॉड राम किल्ड रावण इन लंका. सो that things are shown to the people, that past history is shown to the people in the form of a play. ठीक है, in the form of a play. So on this day God Ram killed Ravan. So student, to celebrate this happiness every year we celebrate the Dishera. So and in the Bengal we celebrate Durga Puja. In Bengal we celebrate Durga Puja. So student, in Hindu religions we know that there is a festival at this time. We worship goddess Durga, क्योंकि रावण का जो पुतला बनता है उसे किस दिन जलाते हैं बेटा? दशमी वाले दिन। दशमी जो 10th डे होता है उस दिन रावण के पुतले को जलाया जाता है। और फर्स्ट 9 डेज क्या हम लोग करते हैं? दुर्गा पूजा होती है। हाँ, इट इज रिटन कि इट इज इन बंगाल, पर ऐसा नहीं है। इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री। दुर्गा पूजा इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री। बहुत बड़े बड़े मेले लगते हैं, ठीक है। पीपल डू लॉट ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट, इवन पीपल्स फास्ट भी रखते हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ ए दुर्गा पूजा। मैनी पीपल्स, ठीक है, बहुत से लोग उस समय फास्ट भी लगते हैं दुर्गा पूजा के समय, ठीक है। और कम से कम 8-9 डेज के लिए फेयर लगते हैं, मेले लगते हैं, लोग उसमें जाते हैं, लॉट ऑफ एंजॉयमेंट होती है। इज इट क्लियर? झूले लगते हैं बच्चों के लिए। सो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर द किड्स आल्सो। सो एंड ऑन द डे दशमी जब होता है तो दैट डे वी बर्न द रावण। इज इट क्लियर? सो द सेलिब्रेशन लास्ट फॉर 10 days. So this festival and how many days? 10 days. Okay. On which day we burn the Ravan. So Dishera is the victory of a good over evil. This is the victory of a good over evil. Okay. So this is the, and Durga Puja, this occasion is very special for our country. इसे हम लोग क्या करते हैं? नवरात्रि, ठीक है। सो देयर आर वी ऑन 9 days वी सेलिब्रेट दुर्गा पूजा, ठीक है। एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑन द 10th day वी बर्न द, जो पुतला होता है रावण का उसे जला देते हैं हम लोग। सो इस तरह हम लोग दशहरा और दुर्गा पूजा के फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इन ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री। हाँ, दुर्गा पूजा सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ होती है? तो वो बंगाल में होती है, ठीक है। पर इट डजंट मीन दैट दुर्गा पूजा इज नॉट सेलिब्रेटेड इन अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री। इट इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन with a lot of joy and happiness among the peoples in all part of the country. So all this about Durga Puja. Now next religious festival is the festival of Diwali. Diwali is also known as the festival of light, okay, and it also marks the beginning of the winter season, ठीक है। विंटर सीजन की बिगनिंग यहां से स्टार्ट हो जाती है। दिवाली इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट्स। So student, every festival has some story, कनेक्टेड टू दैट, बिकॉज मैंने बोला ना बेटा ये कैसे फेस्टिवल्स हैं, रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल हैं। तो रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल है इसलिए हर फेस्टिवल के संग कोई ना कोई स्टोरी कनेक्टेड है। ठीक है, नाउ व्हाई वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली। सी, गॉड श्री राम killed Ravan, and after 14 years Shri Ram with goddess Sita and Lakshman come back to Ayodhya. After 14 years they come back, after killing Ravan they come back to Ayodhya. So at that day what happened, what is done by the people of Ayodhya? So the people of Ayodhya, they are so happy that God Shri Ram is coming back after 14 years. So for the honor of the God Shri Ram, the people of Ayodhya, they जो होते हैं ना दिए, दिवाली में आप लोग देखते होगे बेटा, दिवाली में दिए दीप जलाए जाते हैं। तो पूरे अयोध्या ने भगवान श्री राम के आने की खुशी में अयोध्या के लोगों ने घर घर दीपक जलाए। इज इट क्लियर? सो तभी से हम लोग दिवाली के फेस्टिवल को मनाने लगे। ठीक है, सो इसीलिए हम लोग ने क्या बोला, दिवाली को दूसरा नाम आप ये भी बोल सकते हो फेस्टिवल ऑफ लाइट, एंड इट मार्क्स द बिगनिंग ऑफ द विंटर सीजन आल्सो। एंड व्हाट हैपेंस ऑन दिस डे? ऑन दिस डे लॉर्ड राम return to Lord Rama return to Ayodhya. After defeating रावणा। ठीक है, जैसा मैंने आप लोग को बोला था, आफ्टर 14 years लॉर्ड रामा रिटर्न टू अयोध्या आफ्टर डिफीटिंग, देयर इज ए फाइट बिटवीन द लॉर्ड राम एंड रावण, एंड आफ्टर डिफीटिंग रावण द लॉर्ड राम come back to Ayodhya after 14 years. So what the people do on the day of a, how they celebrate the festival of Diwali? So people clean their homes and shops and make beautiful rangolis, especially देखो in the festival of Diwali गणेश जी की और लक्ष्मी जी की, गॉडेस लक्ष्मी की पूजा की जाती है। सो स्टूडेंट, सो एट द टाइम ऑफ, स्पेशली एट द टाइम ऑफ दिस फेस्टिवल, people clean their houses, and those who are doing some business or anything, people paint their houses. There are lot of lightning is done on that day. Candles also, people burn candles also, और जो दीपक होते हैं वो भी लोग अपने घरों में जलाते हैं। So lot of lightning you will see in the festival of Diwali. That is the reason Diwali is also known as the festival of lights. In every homes you will see the people has done lot of decoration with different colors of a light. ठीक है, तो and even they make beautiful rangolis also. So what do they do on the day of a Diwali? People wear new clothes, eat sweets and visit friends and relative houses also. And this festival give lot of enjoyment for the children, because children love to burn the crackers. ठीक है, lot of साउंड यू विल हेयर इन दिस फेस्टिवल, क्योंकि दिवाली के फेस्टिवल के हैप्पीनेस में बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा पटाखे भी चलाते हैं. ठीक है, दे बर्न क्रैकर एट द टाइम ऑफ फेस्टिवल ऑफ दिवाली. सो दिवाली इज लॉट ऑफ joy for the children, because children love to burn the cracker in the festival of Diwali. So people wear new clothes, they go to their friends houses or relative houses, eat sweets, they light up their home with diyas, जो मैंने एक्चुअली आपको बताया है. दियास है, कैंडल्स है एंड नियॉन लाइट्स है. नियॉन लाइट्स आपको कई जगह मिल जाएंगी. रेस्टोरेंट में चले जाए आप, होटल में चले जाएं, तो ये लाइट्स आपको वहां मिलेंगी देखने के लिए. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल ऑफ हिंदूज. ये किसका फेस्टिवल है? हिंदूज का फेस्टिवल है. ठीक है, तो एक बार इसकी रिकैप्चुलेशन करा देते हैं बेटा. वाई वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली and what is the reason behind that. So student, Diwali is also known as the festival of lights. Okay, so there is a old story that Lord Shri Ram, after defeating Ravana, after 14 years come back to Ayodhya. So when the people, so what the people of Ayodhya, what has been done by them, they are very happy and excited that Lord Ram is coming back to Ayodhya after 14 years. So people of Ayodhya, they have done lot of decoration. They light up their home with diyas. So and celebrate the happiness of that Lord Shri Ram coming back to Ayodhya. So it becomes a रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल ऑफ द हिंदूज. ये क्या बन गया बेटा? हिंदूज का रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल हो गया. और एवरी ईयर वी सेलिब्रेट दिवाली. ऑन दिस डे पीपल वेयर न्यू क्लोथ्स, दे ईट लॉट ऑफ स्वीट्स, दे विजिट टू देयर फ्रेंड्स हाउस एंड रिलेटिव्स हाउसेस आल्सो. People color their houses, clean their houses. People clean their shops, color their shop also, and lot of decoration you will see on the day of a Diwali. And especially this festival give lot of, you can say, joy and enjoyment to the children, because small children love to burn the crackers. On the day of a Diwali, we burn crackers also. So thank you student.